If you're brand new to harmonica, here's something that might save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's talk about playing clean single notes. I'm playing a Kongsheng Sunrise in the key of C. Once you pick up the harmonica, this is probably going to be one of the biggest struggles you're going to come across. You go to play, maybe you just want to play hole 4, but you're getting hole 4 and 5, maybe hole 3 and 4, maybe all 3 of them together. The thing about this is, don't worry, don't get frustrated. Everyone goes through this. It just takes some time and practice to be able to isolate these notes. Like I said, if you go for that 4 blow, you're hearing something like that. It's because you're getting a little bit of the 3, a little bit of the 5, when you really just want that 4. Playing clean single notes, it just takes practice. First thing, you need to be relaxed. I say this in all my videos. To hold the harmonica, be relaxed. Your shoulders, your mouth, your jaw, your lips, tongue, everything. Just be relaxed. You need to get a tight seal around the harmonica. Every beginner, they just want to barely touch the harmonica. You need to put the harmonica as deep as you can in your mouth and get a tight seal around the bottom and the top of it. The way that I'm holding the harmonica here, my lips are going all the way up and pushing against my finger there. I'm getting it very deep into my mouth to get a tight seal. And you really just want to focus on one hole at a time. You want to relax and you want to breathe through the instrument, whether that's out or breathing in. It's a good idea to start with the 4 blow, go to the 4 draw, move over to the 5 blow, come back to the 4 draw, then do the 4 blow again. Something like this. So when I did that, I moved the harmonica over to get to that 5 blow. 4 blow, 4 draw. I moved the harmonica over to play that 5 blow. I moved it back to get the 4 draw and then the 4 blow. You want to just move the harmonica around. Just take your time. Don't worry about speed. One note at a time. This is one of those things that every harmonica player struggles with. I know I did for a long time. If it doesn't happen right away, don't get discouraged. You'll get there. I would spend at least a few minutes every day trying to just isolate clean single notes. I've done a full Harmonica Mondays lesson on just this topic if you want to go check that out. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Click here for the next Harmonica Basics lesson.